Hello, welcome to our channel. How are you all doing? Hope you are good. If this is your first time viewing this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. In today's video, I want to share with you the easiest way to lose belly fat overnight. No workout and no diet plan. Do you want to know? So please stick to the end of this video so that you will know the easiest way to lose that belly fat.
Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down.
Yeah guys, the easiest way to lose the belly fat is by taking ginger tea. Do you know the benefits of ginger? Okay, let me share with you. Ginger is a natural digestive aid. Ginger helps to increase the body temperature to burn fat more effectively. Ginger also suppresses the production of cortisol. And cortisol is a stress hormone. And guys, you know, stress causes weight gain. Therefore, drinking ginger tea daily can really help with losing belly fat. And the ingredients we need for this ginger tea: 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, 2 or 3 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, original honey, half tablespoon of lemon juice. So let's prepare the tea. Put the water in a saucepan or pot and bring it to a boil. Now add the grated ginger and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down.
After 10 minutes, guys, strain the tea into a mug. And then add the lemon juice and the raw honey and mix together. The ginger tea is ready. The best time to take it is only in the night before bedtime. Guys, give this ginger tea a try and let me know in the comment section down below. So guys, if you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, like and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.